Hi, it's your boy Ryker Buff, back from the dealer. I just got in the car, Cross Bay. They was bringing the bike out, and some codes came up, they said. So they took it back in the back. So he got to run through some system or something. I said, no rush. I said, you know what, I'll come back in a couple of days. I'll come back in the middle of the week or something. I don't want to stay in there all day because I know no telling how long it's going to take. And I said, no rush, just went there. And it was snowing out this mother. So, you know what, I'll come back. But, so I didn't pick up the bike on my way home. Me and my son could have stayed home and stayed asleep. But we didn't know. We was calling, I was calling. Nobody answering the phone. Keep saying it was closed. They opened at 9 o'clock. I was calling all the way here. Nobody answered. But, you know, it's a business. It happens. But they was open. But until I pick it up, y'all know about it. Alright, so I'm out. See y'all later.
Several days later.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Ryker Buff 900. Continuing this video from when I took my Ryker to the shop in October. Then last week, and I was supposed to pick it up. When I got there, they said codes came up, so I had to hold on to it. So I told them I'd come back in the middle of the week. Today is Friday, the 7th of February, right? And now they sent me a text message saying my bike is ready with a bill for $711. I'm not paying that. First of all, my bike broke down. They texted me and said it was the wheel bearings. Whoever did my wheel lights put the wheel bearings on backwards on the right side. First of all, I put my wheel lights on step by step, and I got a video. Yeah, I've watched it. Second of all, I don't touch the wheel bearing. They're not in the way. I don't have to remove them or nothing. I remove a flat washer, a tapered washer, and the wheel. That's it. And I have video on that. So they're not going to beat me in the head talking about with no $700 bill. So if my theory, my thing was, I thought about it. I couldn't even sleep last night. If you telling me that my wheel bearing on the right side was installed backwards, that means whoever put my bike together when I purchased it, because I had to wait for it, because they had to put it together, either whoever put that bike together put the wheel bearings on wrong, or it came from the manufacturer put on backwards. But the left side, because make that make sense. Why would I put one side on right and the other side on wrong, and I'm making a video and I'm talking to you and telling you what to do, and you see I don't touch the wheel bearings. It's already on there. Now they claim they had to replace the wheel bearings and the shaft. That's what they said. And got me a bill of $711, right? I'm gonna show y'all. This is, no, you can't make this stuff up. You know what I'm saying? So you're not gonna beat me in the head. You're not gonna beat me in the head. I do this first. Let y'all see that bill. I'm bringing it in and out because I don't know if you can see it focused or not. Right? And here's their claim is 3 approved, unit, 22 Can-Am, F5NA, wheel bearing, speed sensor, and then BRP best deductible, so it'll be $50. Right? Now, speed sensor, why is that changed? If you said it's a wheel bearing, so why does the speed sensor change? You understand what I'm saying? Look at that repair order, do. I'm not paying for something that wasn't my negligence. If it was my negligence, of course, I paid the bill. But it's something I never even touched. I had no reason to touch it. I ain't even got fingerprints on it. They could check I ain't got fingerprints, so why am I paying for that? That's a manufacturer error or a mechanic error at your shop. So I'm going there in a few. My son gonna drop me off there. And we're gonna have this. It's gonna be ugly, I'm pretty sure, because they ain't gonna wanna not give it up. They want me to pay something, I'm not paying shit. I'm not paying. So we're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna see if I can try to record that while I'm there, right? It's your boy Ryker Buff. Stay tuned. I'll get back at y'all. RT Limited. See this guy. Here at Course Bay Motorsports. And the Ryker already set. Got a jockey shifter. I thought this might be a trade-in. Got a windscreen. Got radio already on it. Mirrors. Footboards. $2023. See the sky. Ready to buy, y'all. Come on, Course Bay Motorsports. Enjoy different flavor panels. They got all flavors. Look at the new. It's nice. All your accessories. Come down to Course Bay Motorsports. Get your accessories. Get your panels. Get your bike. Don't get no two-wheeler, y'all. Don't get no two-wheeler, y'all. We're gonna stick over here with these right here. This is what I need right here. I need this one, y'all. Come on, everybody donate. Not just a joke. But this one I'm gonna upgrade to.